If you're over 50, there's a quiet truth you already know. Getting up from a chair takes more effort, climbing stairs feels heavier, and sometimes your own legs or back feel like they're arguing with you. This video is for you, someone who's not chasing six-pack abs or gym selfies, but someone who wants strength where it matters. Your legs, back, core, and joints. These exercises we'll discuss aren't extreme. They're safe, they're gentle, but they're powerful because they help preserve what really matters after 50: balance, muscle strength, flexibility, and confidence in your own body. And no, you don't need to join a gym. Just a little space at home, a few minutes daily, and most importantly, consistency. Let's start rebuilding your strength, one movement at a time. Sittostand chair squats. As we grow older, one of the first and most frustrating signs of aging is the difficulty in standing up from low chairs, beds, or sofas. It's not just about weakness. It's a clear sign that the muscles in your thighs, hips, glutes, and core are losing functional strength. This is where the simple sit-to-stand exercise becomes powerful. It mimics a daily movement, sitting and standing, but when done with intention, it becomes a strength-building tool. All you need is a firm chair. Sit close to the edge, feet flat on the ground, shoulder width apart. Cross your arms over your chest or hold them straight in front. Without using your hands, push through your heels and rise up. Then slowly lower yourself back down into a seated position. Start with 10 to 15 repetitions and gradually build up to 2 to 3 sets. This exercise helps strengthen your quadriceps, glutes, and core, all essential for stability and daily mobility. It also trains your body for balance, improving your confidence in movements, like climbing stairs or rising from the toilet. For older adults who fear falling or feel unsteady, this one movement, done consistently, can be life-changing. While strengthening your legs is important, you can't ignore the upper body. Over time, our arms, shoulders, and upper back start to weaken, often without us noticing. You may struggle to open jars, carry grocery bags, or even push yourself up from the bed. This quiet loss of upper body strength affects independence more than we realize. That's where wall push-ups come in. Unlike floor push-ups, wall push-ups are easier on the joints, especially for seniors dealing with wrist pain or arthritis. Stand an arm's length from a wall. Place your hands on the wall, shoulder height and slightly wider than your shoulders. Keep your feet flat, back straight, and slowly bend your elbows to bring your chest toward the wall. Then push back to the start. Repeat 12 to 15 times and do 2 to 3 sets. This simple movement improves muscle tone in the chest, arms, and shoulders. It also engages the upper back and core, supporting better posture and shoulder stability. Over time, you'll notice better control in daily activities, like reaching overhead, lifting light objects, or supporting yourself during a fall. Now let's talk about balance, one of the most critical skills to protect as you age. Falls are one of the leading causes of injury in older adults. And yet, balance is something we rarely train directly. The heel-to-toe walk is a simple yet powerful drill to strengthen your balance, ankle muscles, and foot coordination. You don't need any equipment. Just find a clear hallway or walk along a wall for support. Stand tall and take a step by placing the heel of one foot directly in front of the toes of the other foot, as if you're walking on a tightrope. Continue slowly for 10 to 15 steps. Then turn around and walk back the same way. Repeat this 2 to 3 times. Doing this daily improves proprioception, your body's sense of where it is in space. It strengthens your ankles, improves coordination, and teaches your brain to respond better to uneven surfaces or sudden shifts. If you've been feeling wobbly or unsure while walking, this one practice can restore confidence and prevent dangerous falls. Next up is marching in place, a gentle but highly effective exercise that targets your hips, thighs, and core. With age, the hip flexors, the muscles responsible for lifting your knees and stepping forward, become weak and tight. This makes stair climbing, stepping over objects, or even getting into bed more difficult. Marching helps keep that movement pattern alive and strong. Stand next to a chair or wall for support. Slowly lift your right knee as high as is comfortable, then lower it. Do the same with the left knee. Alternate in a slow, controlled motion. like marching in slow motion. Do this for 30 to 60 seconds, take a short rest, and repeat for 2 to 3 rounds. You'll feel your hips working, your thighs engaging, and your core getting involved too. This also gives your cardiovascular system a mild boost, improving circulation and energy. And if you want to make it harder, swing your arms gently or wear light ankle weights. This simple routine helps restore mobility and keeps your legs ready for real-world movement. Finally, let's give special attention to the knees, because they carry you through every step, and they often ache the most. The seated leg extension is a safe and effective movement for anyone dealing with knee stiffness, arthritis, or general leg weakness. Sit tall in a sturdy chair, feet flat on the ground. Slowly extend your right leg forward until it's as straight as you can comfortably go. Hold for 2 seconds, then lower it gently. Repeat on the left side. Do 10 to 12 repetitions per leg, and aim for 2 to 3 sets total. This exercise specifically targets the quadriceps, the muscles above the knee that support the joint. Strengthening them helps reduce knee pain, improves blood flow to the lower body, and supports actions like walking, getting out of bed, or sitting and standing with ease. Even if you have joint issues or are recovering from injury, this movement is generally safe and gentle. So finally, you've now seen the 5 powerful exercises that can truly change the way your body moves and feels after 50. But here's the truth, just knowing isn't enough. You have to show up for yourself every day. Even if it's just 10 minutes, what matters most is consistency. Don't treat this like a 2-day challenge and give up. Your body didn't weaken overnight, and it won't rebuild overnight either. But with small, steady steps, you'll feel stronger, more confident, and more alive than you have in years. Start today, and don't stop. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and leave a comment below letting us know what topic you'd like us to cover next. Take care of yourself. Your best years still have strength in them.